Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I teach Ielts here. Well guys, once again I welcome you all to my Ielts video, and today I'm going to share some cases of inquiry on results. Exactly, sometimes when you get your Ielts result and you are not happy with the result and you think you should have been given more band score, so then you apply for inquiry on results on one module or all 4 modules, and you got to pay the fee of this, and then definitely they recheck your papers, and sometimes the band score is changed, sometimes the band score remains same. So I've got some cases. The first case is from India, and the name of the student is J. Patel. J. Patel is from Gujarat, and what actually happened, he needed no less than 6 band and overall 7. So what happened, when he got his result said listening 6, reading 7, speaking 6, writing 5.5, and J. Patel was depressed. J. Patel had thought that he would get at least 6 band in writing as well and overall 7 band, but actually what happened, he got 6 in listening, 7 in reading, 5.5 in writing and 6 in speaking, with overall band score 6. So what happened, he applied for Eor, and when he applied for Eor, before that he asked me, and it's quite risky nowadays, so I say, well, if you are confident, go for it, I'm not sure. So he applied Eor, and then afterwards he sent me this message, sir, I received a message that please send your TRF. Now what happens when you apply Eor, after that if there is any change in your result, then they ask you to surrender your old TRF, and against that TRF they give you a new TRF. So he surrendered his TRF, and then what happened, they gave him the good news that his band score in writing increased from 5.5 to 6 band, and this also increased his overall band score from 6 to 6.5. See that? So at least through Eor he achieved his required band score. Let me tell you, Eor has got the fee, around 50% of test fee, that's what you got to pay, and then there is a procedure, it takes around 3 weeks time, and then they tell you if there is any change in the result, then your money is returned. If there is no change, then you do not get your money back. Alright, so there is another case from India, from Karnataka, and there 1 band increased through Eor. Again guys, I'm telling you, do not apply for Eor blindly. It's not that you see I'm sharing the video and the band increased and every time the band score increased. It is not that every time band score increases. Sometimes the band score remains same as well. So it depends on your performance in the test. So this is from Karnataka, and he appeared in Ielts, and then he went through this Eor, and he asked me, sir, duration of Eor and all that, and then finally he got this message, he got email, and they said we need your TRF. And what happened afterwards, he received the TRF and the band score changed from 6.5 in speaking to 7.5. See that? Examiners, speaking examiners, local speaking examiners, 6.5 band was awarded by local speaking examiner, and when he went for Eor, 1 band score increased, and then from 6.5 to 7.5, and now you can see the performance of examiners. I mean 1 band, for God's sake. It means the examiners are just sleeping during the speaking test, and they have already, they have in mind that for this candidate 6 band, for this candidate 5 band, for this candidate 5.5 band. I mean, this is surprising. 6.5 band was awarded, and then after Eor, the band score increased from 6.5 to 7.5. Alright, there is another case, and this is from from Bangladesh, and from Bangladesh one of my students she also got increment in her Ielts. Let's see what is that. Okay. So I've got the old result and the new result as well. Let me see. Let me just tell you about that. Okay. According to old result, what happened? Listening 7.5. Reading 6.5, and she appeared on 28 September 2019. Listening 7.5, reading 6.5, writing 5.5. You can see TRF as well. Speaking actually 7. So I mean writing 5.5, and she thought maybe if I could get 6 in writing it could be better, and overall bench score was 6.5. So this lady, her name is Jannatul Firdausi from Bangladesh, and couple of days ago she asked me through WhatsApp about Eor and all that. She applied Eor and she got increment in her writing from 5.5 to 6, half band increment. Guys, let me tell you, sometimes this half band is the band that you require. Today one of my students from Australia, she got her result and she wanted 8,777. She got all 3 sevens, 7 in writing, 7 plus in reading, 7 plus in speaking, but in listening this time, and I mean every time she appeared in Ielts a couple of times before as well, every time she used to get 8.5 in listening, but this time she got 7.5 in listening. So this half band is very important now for her. This half band is the hurdle, and same was the case with Jannatul Firdausi from Bangladesh, and she applied Eor and her bench score improved. And not only the bench score improved in writing from 5.5 to 6, her overall bench score also changed from 6.5 to 7. Okay, so I mean I don't know what's going on. How are they marking? Now writing is not marked by local examiners. They've got their own trained staff. Some students told me, one of my students from Indian Punjab, he told me that he went for his Ielts speaking test, and there he saw writing tasks and writing papers. So it means examiners check the writing tasks here as well. I don't know, it's all mystery, okay, because they don't show everything, so it's all mystery. Anyways guys, these were 3 results of Eor which my students shared with me, and I tell you along with this there are some results where the bench score does not change. That is why let me tell you when and how to apply for Eor. Number 1, when you are 100% confident that in speaking or in writing I do not deserve this low bench score, right? I deserve more. So then you should apply Eor, number 1. Number 2, do not apply Eor only on one module. Apply Eor on all 4 modules, and sometimes even in listening and reading. One of my students, his bench score increased in reading as well. Okay, so you should go for Eor on all 4 modules. It takes 21 days and almost 50% of Ielts test fee, which will be refunded when your bench score increases, right? And I have not seen any case of the student where the bench score decreased, right? So it only increases or remains the same. Thank you very much guys. Be careful, and if you are really confident you can go for Eor, but if they do not change bench score, your money is gone. Okay, so this is a brief warning. Thank you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I teach Ielts online. If you want to join my online Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.